Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Nicole and I'm so happy you clicked on this video. So guys, I did want to come on here and do an unboxing for you guys and a shop with me in Dubai kind of. So background story for anybody who is new to this channel or is clicking on my channel for the very first time. My name is Nicole and I am a public accountant. I post content on public accounting and I also do stuff on lifestyle and vlogs here and there. So if you guys are interested in any of those kind of topics, then make sure you click that subscribe button and join this growing family. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, so if you don't know, my husband and I did go to Dubai a few weeks ago. We went to Dubai to celebrate our anniversary and also my birthday. And this has been a long time coming. We've been saving, and for this year's birthday I decided to treat myself, and my husband also did get me something, which are these two things back here. Before we get started, I just wanted to say that I am not here to brag by any means. This is just something that I wanted to share with you guys. There are people that do like these kind of videos. Like myself, I like watching these kind of videos. So I do apologize if this isn't your cup of tea. I completely understand, and I completely understand that not everybody can afford it, or not everybody wants to spend their money on these kind of things. So I do understand that, but I am in no means in any way here trying to brag, because I'm not perfect. I am not rich by any means. We just work really hard, and I'm not saying that other people who work hard get these things, but we just have been working really hard and we've been through a lot, and we as in my husband and I both agreed that it was okay to splurge a little bit. Once again, I am going to apologize if anybody does not like this kind of content, doesn't like this kind of video. Like I said, I am not trying to brag at all. I'm that kind of person that even buying this, you guys will see in the clips that I'm about to show you, like I was like, oh my gosh, like I can't believe I'm spending this much on myself, because I just typically don't do it. I rather spend it on other people than on myself. But it's okay to sometimes just reward yourself for all the hard work that you do. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Okay guys, so let's take a trip down memory lane to the Dubai Mall, where we got to see the beautiful fountains and the Burj Khalifa. So this mall was super huge, super overwhelming, first of all. And tell me how I got conned into paying $10 for this ice cream. 10 whole dollars. Guys, I can't believe it. But it was really good Turkish ice cream. Ice cream? What the heck, Nicole? Ice cream. It was good ice cream. But that guy played us. Wait, no, where's the cone? Okay, anyway, back inside the Dubai Mall. Here is Sephora. They had so many stores, and I think it was 4 floors or 3 floors. I'm not sure. It was
now we're going to the only store that I can afford at this place, and you guys know it's my favorite store.
So I originally went into Zara because I was looking for a birthday dress, but that was a fail. And as we kept walking around the mall, we passed by the expensive side. And I'm telling you guys, this area where all of the luxury store was kind of secluded in a way from the rest of the mall.
Aquela pasta que você vai querer, how much is it?
Da Yves Saint Laurent.
Ok, you like Yves Saint Laurent? Ok.
Eu gosto dos dois, isso que eu disse.
Dos dois que...
Quero ainda comparar preço.
Aquela da LV.
Da Louis Vuitton. Da Louis Vuitton?
Yeah, how much is it?
1.800, quase $2.000.
Ok. Queres?
The big one?
Yeah.
We can go check. Okay guys, so stuff did not go as planned, so just keep on watching.
You only turned 25 months.
Ok. Já pode pôr no chão?
Não, não sei. This is the one you were talking about?
No.
Which one were you talking about?
Okay guys, tell me which bag you would have chosen.
Do I have to put my name, how it's on my passport?
Shukran.
Hmm?
Shukran.
You're welcome.
Chase blocked the car.
What?
So sweet, guys.
Gotta upgrade.
Why's your face like that?
I'm taking it for the team.
You don't have to.
What do you mean I don't have to?
That's what I'm saying. We can close with that shit, man. Let's see.
But I guess so.
Anyway, see y'all later. So let me show you guys the first thing. I got myself a handbag, and the bag comes in this box right here. It comes in this box right here, and then it comes with the bag, and here it is. I have yet to use it, but I did film. We filmed an unboxing on my birthday, but I can't find the footage, so all of the plastic wrap and the protection that was on here, I took it out. But here is the bag. It is a crossbody. It is a crossbody, and it's a crossbody Dionysus. I'll have the exact name for you guys. And we went into the store with the intention of getting the Gucci Soho bag, because I was in between the Gucci Soho bag and the YSL Lou camera bag, just because I wanted to get a good black crossbody. But the guy at the Gucci store, he convinced me to get this one, so I did. And this one's really nice. Like, it's really elegant, and one good thing about it is you can dress it up, dress it down, which I love. And here it has Swarovski, I think that's how you say it, Swarovski's crystals, and it's like a greeny, but it changes colors depending on sunlight, depending on the light, which I like. It's really nice, really sleek. I know that this is going to last me for a while. It won't get messed up quick, and like I said, you could dress it up, dress it down. Like, what you could use a chain. You could use the chain, you could take the chain off and then like use it as a clutch. So really nice. And also the good thing about this bag that I love is the fact that I can use it as a wallet if I want to. This is how it looks when you first open it. It has the compartments for you to put like your cards and everything here, and then you can put money in here if you want to. You can fit lip gloss, like some makeup products, any other knickknacks in here, and there's more places for your card here. This actually also does fit the camera, so if I want to vlog and we're going out, I can always put the camera in here and it'll fit. So that is this bag. Hopefully once we can go back outside, I can use this bag. When you do go overseas, they give you they give you 2 receipts, and one you do go to the duty-free section at the airport. Excuse me, you scan your passport and then you get your money back. So yeah. The next bag is this one. This thing is huge. Here it is. And guys, this bag was gifted to me by my husband for my birthday. I had my Michael Kors tote for the longest, and it started falling apart. The straps started falling apart. He actually had gotten me that bag I think it was like, yeah, my senior year of college. The beginning of my senior year of college, he got me that bag because for work purposes, I needed a bag that looked a bit more professional, and I really didn't have any purses and stuff, because I really wasn't into purses like that at the time. I was more into shoes, but now my taste has changed. But yeah, he got me this here. So this was gift wrapped for me, but obviously I used it on the way back, so I had to take out the ribbons and stuff. Let me see if I have it. But yeah, it was gift wrapped. I'll insert a picture. I think I took a picture. I'll insert a picture. It comes like this, and it comes with the dust bag as well. So here is the bag that he got me. Well, it's the bag that I ended up deciding on. It is the Damier Ebene Neverfull. So I got the Neverfull, and I got the one that has just a regular one that has the red inside. It was so late at night that when we were shopping that I even forgot to ask the guy if they had the pink, if they had the one with the pink inside, but that's okay. I got this one, and it comes with the little pouch here. Yeah, it comes with this little pouch, which is really cute. And guys, I don't know, I didn't get the extra large one. I just got the regular size one, and this thing is huge. Like, this is huge. And like I said, he got me this to replace the Michael Kors one that I had. Yeah, this one is huge. It fits so much inside, which is nice. So I can use this at work. I can use it at work if I'm going to church and I just need, like, I could put my Bible in here, I could put my laptop in here. So yeah, the reason why I ended up going for this bag instead of the other bags that I was looking at was the fact that I don't know how to do it. I think you go like this. You can pull these drawstrings, and then it changes the shape of the bag. So if I don't want it to look like a huge tote, or however, if I don't want the original style, I can pull the straps, and then it looks like this, which is cute. So ultimately that was my reasoning. I could change the bag shape, which is nice, and it just can fit so much in here. And then here is, oh no, here is the receipt. Oh, I can't believe I bent it, but here is the envelope receipt. Y'all can see, let me show you guys the duty-free sticker right here. The guy who helped us with this, there was 2 sales associates that helped us with this purchase, and let me see if his name is on here. I just saw sales associate. Sales associate for at the Louis Vuitton store was Ehab, but there was 2 guys that helped us. I forgot the other guy's name, but one was Ehab. If you ever go there, it's really nice. I think he was from Lebanon. I forgot, but yeah, they're really nice. Because when we were trying to do the purchase, I had maxed out my card limit for the day. My daily spend, I had maxed it out for the day, and also my bank thought that fraud was being committed because I forgot to communicate with them that we were going overseas, because so yeah, my card wasn't going through. My husband's card wasn't going through when we were trying to make the purchase, which is hilarious. But Ahab and the other associate, they let us use their phone to call my bank to call my bank to be able to get the whole fraud thing out of my account and have our cards unblocked, so that we were able to purchase, which was so sweet of them, because they didn't obviously have to do it to call international, but it was so nice of them. So yeah, right now I can afford to do it, or we can afford to do it, because we don't have children, and we really don't have that much debt. But that's a story for another day. So, but we did save. I saved for this bag. Been living frugally. I saved for this bag. My husband saved to be able to get me this bag as well. So if you do want to get something nice for yourself, I highly encourage saving. Even like the bags, I've been eyeing them secondhand. Just quick story, like I usually get my stuff from Poshmark or Tradesy. I will get something secondhand. I really don't mind. I just always do my research. So I've been eyeing these items for like 2 years almost. I've been eyeing them. I almost even got replicas. I had almost purchased a replica one just because I wanted the bags in my collection, but I didn't want to spend the money for it. But yeah, going overseas, like we just save for it. And then the good thing with getting luxury items overseas is the fact that you do get taxed back. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.